What if I told you there's a plant where the pods, leaves, flowers, seeds, and even the roots are edible? And most people have never heard of it. Today on Natural Earth Living, we're rediscovering the winged bean, one of the most nutritious plants on Earth. Winged beans look like green beans, but with four frilly wings along the pod. They grow on climbing vines, love warm weather, and produce food from top to bottom. This is why they're called the one-plant supermarket. Almost the entire plant is edible. Young pods, leaves like leafy greens, edible flowers, protein-rich seeds, and underground tubers like potatoes. Very few plants do all of this. Winged beans are loaded with protein. Some parts rival soybeans. They also provide fiber, iron, calcium, and essential amino acids. This made them incredibly valuable before modern industrial foods took over. Winged beans love heat and sun. They grow fast and climb like pole beans. They improve soil health by fixing nitrogen naturally. In cooler areas, they're grown as annuals with a long summer season. Young pods can be stir-fried or steamed. Leaves cook like spinach. Seeds must be cooked before eating. Roots can be boiled or roasted, mild flavor, very versatile. Winged beans didn't fit large-scale industrial farming. So they faded from grocery stores but never stopped feeding people where traditional knowledge survived. Sometimes the most powerful foods aren't new discoveries, they're forgotten ones. If you enjoyed this, subscribe, and tell me in the comments, would you grow winged beans? This video is for educational purposes only. Always be certain of plant identification and consult a qualified professional before consuming new plants.